Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA shows some upside momentum now, a little bit at least, yeah. And again, all we're doing at the moment is we moved from micro support into micro resistance. The only thing that's noteworthy today though is that ADA is up a little bit while Bitcoin is down a little bit. And that's just something to mention as we're moving into the resistance area, but we haven't even broken above the last swing high here at 36.9 cents, the high from the 7th of October. Well, that would be necessary next, okay? But that is only structural resistance. And then ultimately, I've added a microstructure for the yellow count. We talked about that. B wave might have bottomed here. We could be moving up in wave C of 3 in the yellow count. This chart or this count has been on the chart for a long time now because the price hasn't really done much. So it hasn't really changed, okay? Also the parameters haven't really changed. But what I highlighted to you is that as long as we're holding the orange support region, specifically the red line, the yellow count has a chance, but needs to, I'd say it needs to prove itself, yeah, because of the weakness that we've seen in the chart. How can it do that? Well, we need to see minimally, absolutely minimally, a break above 39.7 cents, which is the 78.6 retrace level of the initial move to the downside. Not the initial move, but of the move down from the 27th of September high. So if we can get above the initial resistance, that would at least indicate that the bulls are gaining some strength, because it would make the direct move to the downside, as per the white scenario, probably less likely. That's always the case when we have a B wave or a wave 2 corrective rally and we're breaking above the 78.6 retracement. Now that's the very first step. So that means the white count, or the probabilities of the short-term bearish count here, well, they won't really change until we break above that 39.7 cent level. And even then, while the microstructure is likely going to shift then, this could still be an extended B wave. That's why we need to see, as a next step, the price fill in a healthy third wave. There are clear guidelines and levels, and that's the 51.2 cent level that needs to be reached there. And then we need another 4-5 pattern. So the wave 4 would be a higher low and the wave 5 a higher high. That's what we need to see in the yellow wave count. All 5 waves completed would indicate we are likely heading to new all-time highs. And we can call that a wave 1, and then we can watch for a wave 2 pullback. Okay? Or at least, even if we say not all-time highs, but at least there would be a substantial rally afterwards. That's at least what it indicates, because a 5-wave move up would indicate the larger trend is now up again after the decline from the March highs, okay? And then we're turning around, and then these 5 waves should get corrected, and then we start to move up from there, right? That's what we're watching for. For the to indicate that the white count has topped locally, I would like to see minimally a break below 34.2 cents, which is the last swing low. That could indicate that wave 3 to the downside is unfolding. But for now, the local trend is up, okay? Local trend from the 10th of October low is up, and it will be up as long as we hold above 34.3 cents. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.